Hey, welcome back to another episode of Johnscryptotherapy, and today we're going to talk about this structure, this bounce that we were talking about. I said it could be a great buying opportunity, but you need to look for your entries. Once again, I want to repeat to you guys what I'm looking for entries. Then I'm going to compare it to you in the zone and tell you why it was not an entry. It was also released in my trading group to tell you guys that it was not a trade, and these are for my advanced traders that understood it was more of a sell. And I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what I'm talking about. The first thing is, did we see a lot of aggression coming towards the downside? The first rule is there a lot of selling aggression? When I looked at these candles here, and I'm going to show you guys every single detail here so you could compare this with me. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from the 7th candle onwards, these were the candles that hit that level. When you noticed it, every single candle was buying. Remember the first rule: when you come into the zone, I need to see negative delta. Right here, this is too positive. What does that mean, guys? Think about it logically. This was 115, 46, 121. That's so much positive delta. Exactly around this level, if there's too much buying happening here, what does that mean? There's, of course, going to be a lot of stop losses right below. We need to see the phase one that I'm trying to mention to you guys. It has to be aggressive sellers. If we did not have aggressive sellers, we had aggressive buyers, we knew, everyone in my trading community knew to look for that sell because it was an easy sell. Everyone was looking to buy. Remember, once I give you an area, you still have to use the 3 phases to enter the trade. The first phase is going to be aggression. The second phase is going to be absorption. Do we see sellers coming in contact in a straight line and not being able to push the price? The third phase is that aggressive buying. We did not see none of this. What we seen was a reaction of a lot of buyers. And if we see a lot of buyers, there's going to be a lot of stops. That means phase one did not happen. That means for those that did enter a trade here, they didn't watch my previous video and understand that you have to look for your 3 phases before you take a buy. And I can only show you guys zones and tell you guys what you could do, but you need to practice the patience of waiting for the perfect setup. If we don't have this setup, you do not look for buys. Okay, so once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then these are the other candles, right? So if I go back again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I look at the other candles, look at how big these buyers were. That means there was a lot of stops underneath, thus telling us that phase one did not happen. And if there's a lot of stops, us traders, we see it as a hunting stop. So we wanted to take those trades out before we go. But the one good and great news here, guys, this is what I'm trying to show you guys. We actually have phase one now. And I'm going to show you guys what I'm trying to tell you guys when I say phase one. Take a look at 1, 2, 3. These 3 candles, take a look at them. 13 delta, 96 delta, 126 delta. I don't care about these buyers because these buyers got taken out. These are the 3 deltas because we are looking at the 3 candles right here. That means what? There's a lot of stops being placed now at the top. Think about it. That's the phase one we're looking for. We're looking for sellers coming into the market with a lot of aggression. And now once we have this, we're looking for phase two. I want to see in the delta price going sideways with a lot of sellers pushing but failing to go lower. The trigger entry will be a candle that is a bullish candle that breaks above the previous structure, making a new higher high, thus confirming to me that this is going to be the rally we're looking for. So this is the only setup I can truly tell you guys. We have phase one. We need to wait for phase two, which is going to be absorption. So a little bit more sellers on the right-hand side. Once I see it going sideways, I'm looking for a bullish candle, and that is going to be the strongest buying candle you could see in the market. The one good news is it's all the way on the bottom. Really great. We have phase one. We actually see sellers here. Look, once again, if I go back to the left, and when you look at this, it's all buyers for the other phase. That's where price broke below because there was a lot of stops. But this phase, we have a lot of sellers. That means there's stops above. That means this is actually a correct first phase. We're looking for second phase for the absorption, third phase for the entry for a continuation, and that is going to be the strongest move towards upside. So guys, keep this in mind. As much as I could do this, I'm not here on the charts every single day telling you guys where there's an entry. I'm giving you specific zones that you need to look for those entries. My students are the only ones that actually get my specific signals and what I do and how I trade those markets. They have been making a lot of money on Omi, and this is an absolute smashing of a trade. We understood it was more to sell than to buy because we've seen price came to the level being manipulated by buyers, but price is failing to go higher. And what does that mean? That means there's a lot of stop losses below. And if there's a lot of stop losses, we need to take them out because we cannot let everyone win in the market. That's how the game goes, guys. If there's a lot of buyers here, if price goes up, everybody in the market's winning. We can't let that happen. That's why as traders, when we see a lot of buyers, not sellers, buyers, there's a lot of stops, we have to take them out. Now for this phase, the phase that we're at right now, this is where we can actually say we have a lot of sellers. So that is going to be our first phase. We're looking for our second phase. Our third phase is going to be a bullish candle with a continuation in the delta. That is going to be your strongest buy. Even this move right here, if you load it up, once we have our third phase, not right now, we only have phase one. After the third phase, if you load this up, you can make a huge ton of profits. I do see Bitcoin bouncing off of a little ledge of support, so I do believe this is going to be a great opportunity. But keep it true to your trading mechanics and the ideas behind our trading setups, okay? And if you guys want to see more updates, please make sure to like these type of videos. Show me that you want to see me do daily updates, and I'm more than welcome to do that. If I do daily updates, of course, I can show you guys entries and everything like that. But because I'm making videos once a week, I want to be as active as I can for you guys. But if you guys can show me that support and you want to see more of these videos, I'm more than welcome to do videos every other day to show you when there's an entry, when to buy, when to sell. And if you do like that, just let me know in the comments below and we'll continue from there. Other than that, remember, this is not financial advice. This is just what I do and what I provide on a service base towards my students. Everything I do here is education. Try your best to understand and follow along and have fun with it. Thank you so much. Take it easy and John out. Peace.